Hello guys, how are you doing today? Welcome back to Learn English Zone. In today's video, we present a romantic mystery story called The Forgotten Letter, a Message from the Past. This story is about Emily, a young woman who finds an old, unopened letter in her grandfather's attic. What she discovers inside the envelope will change her understanding of love, family, and choices. This long English story is perfect for improving your listening, pronunciation, and vocabulary. Written in simple, slow, and natural English, suitable for beginner and intermediate learners. Great for listening practice and emotional storytelling. Let's begin the story. Emily stood at the bottom of the narrow staircase. "Are you sure you want to go up there?" her mother asked. Emily smiled. "Yes, Mom. Grandpa always said there were old things in the attic. Maybe I'll find something interesting." It was a warm Saturday afternoon. The house was quiet. Emily climbed up slowly. The wooden stairs creaked under her feet. She reached the attic door and pulled it open. Dust floated in the sunlight. Boxes, books, old clothes, and photo albums were everywhere. She began exploring. After an hour of looking through boxes, Emily found a small wooden box in the corner. It was old and had a little heart carved on top. She opened it. Inside, there were a few black and white photos, a dried flower, and a letter. The envelope was yellow with age. The paper was soft and thin. On the front, it said, "To Lily, please read, J." Emily frowned. "Who's Lily? And who's J?" She looked around. No one was there. She opened the letter. The handwriting was elegant, neat. It read, "My dearest Lily, if you're reading this, then I was brave enough to send it. I need to tell you how I feel before it's too late. Every day I see you smile, I feel something in my chest that I can't explain. I've loved you from the moment we met, and I think you feel the same. But you're always just out of reach. If you want to meet me, come to the old bridge by the lake. Saturday, sunset. I'll wait. Forever yours, James." Emily's heart beat faster. Who were Lily and James? She whispered. And why was this letter never opened? Emily ran downstairs. "Mom, do you know anyone named Lily?" Her mother looked surprised. "Lily was your grandfather's sister. She died young." Emily showed her the letter. Her mom read it slowly. "Wow, this is beautiful. But I don't know who James was." Emily's curiosity grew. She needed to know more. The next morning, Emily rode her bike to the lake. The old bridge was still there, worn but standing. She walked across it, imagining a young man waiting with a letter in hand. Did Lily ever come? Did James wait alone? She sat on the bridge for a while, listening to the wind and the birds. She felt close to the past. Emily went to the town library. She searched the old newspapers. In one article from 1952, she found a photo. Local soldier writes love letters from afar. The name, James H. Carter. Emily gasped. That must be him. She read the article. James was a soldier in the Korean War. He had written letters to someone back home. Her name was never mentioned. Maybe Lily never got the letter, she thought. Back at home, Emily found an old photo album. She flipped through the pages. Suddenly, she saw it, a photo of Lily and a young man standing by the lake. Her grandfather had written names under each photo. Lily and James, summer 1951. Her heart jumped. They were real. They were in love. Why didn't Lily open the letter? Was it lost? Was she afraid? Emily checked the envelope again. There was no stamp, no address. Maybe James never sent it, she whispered. She imagined James holding the letter, then hiding it in the attic, afraid of rejection. Or maybe someone else stopped it from being sent. Emily sat at her desk. She took out her journal and began to write. To James, I found your letter hidden in time. I don't know what happened to Lily, or why she never read your words, but I read them now. You were brave. You spoke from your heart. I want you to know your love mattered. Even after all these years, your letter changed something in me. Thank you. She placed her letter next to his in the box. Emily stood at the edge of the lake. Sunset painted the sky with orange and pink. She had never felt so peaceful. She had learned something deep, that love, even unspoken, still leaves a mark. She smiled, then took the two letters and placed them gently into the water. They floated together, side by side, and slowly drifted away. Thank you for listening to The Forgotten Letter, a message from the past. We hope this story helped you improve your English and feel something real inside. Like this story? Subscribe for more. Share your favorite part in the comments. Practice listening again to build fluency. Learn English Zone, where every story teaches and touches your heart.